Hi, did you know that the Norton Community webpage has got an all-new look? Quickly sign into your account using the Sign In option and start asking a question using the Ask the Community button. Use the prominent search bar to search for solutions and recent posts. Or easily navigate to the product and service board by choosing a category within the Browse Community Categories section. Click Create New Post to create a new post within a clutter-free posting section. A highly organized announcement blog section and a neat-looking latest threads section with labels would help you find answers and additional information. Also, check out organized forum boards with a dedicated board showcasing product and service help videos. Updated product and service board categories with collapsible filter section. New questions or posts with highlighted accepted solution and with clearly distinguished reply sections. Updated profile settings page with multiple options. What else are you waiting for? Visit community.norton.com right now. Thanks for watching.